The Lisle 69300 Relay Test Jump Set is a thoughtfully organized kit that makes diagnosing relay and live circuit issues on modern vehicles much faster and more consistent. It includes a range of relay jumpers sized for the most commonly used automotive relays, so you can cover many different makes without hunting for separate adapters. The bundled test leads are designed to hook securely to a multimeter, giving you a stable connection for checking voltage and current without juggling loose probes. Built-in switch, fuse, and power options on the terminal leads let you safely energize and monitor circuits, which helps prevent accidental shorts while you troubleshoot. Additional provisions for less common relay layouts mean it is also useful on many European models, so it can serve as a go-to kit in a mixed brand shop. The dedicated relay pliers make removing stubborn relays straightforward and reduce the risk of damaging sockets or wiring during service.